Hey, good morning guys, it's Dan with the Crayon Brotherhood. We were at J3 this morning. We got invited out here to hang out for a charity event. So we have a bunch of us out here. Do a full walk around. Bunch of us were invited to come out here and hang out. And for the charity event, so we're going to go over that here in a little bit. Actually, let me find the man, the myth, the legend real quick. He can go over it with you real fast.
Hey everybody, it's Brad from the Overland 870 podcast. So today we are out here at J3. Brought a bunch of folks out here to check out this charity event that we've got going on out here. So Jez from Waterfalls, and we got Chasing the Ozarks and Archipalooza. All those guys are out here raising some money for some really local charities here in Jasper. The Soul Sisters, a couple of camps out here for some people for the kids. We've actually brought out a bunch of guys today. They came out to join us to help us support these people. We're going to be doing some trail rides. We're actually going to be exploring J3 today, talking about what's going on and bringing some exciting news to you about this property that's going to be helping us out here in the future. I appreciate all these guys. Dan came out and helped me put this together. Stephen Moore from More Adventures. Darren Parker, he's out here. Jeremy McGinnis. All the usual suspects are out here hanging out with us. We got a really good group of people. We're going to help out this charity. We're going to raise some money. And I want you guys to come out and see J3 at the Gap. So if you get a chance, come out, hang out, have a good time, enjoy the scenery. See you later on the trails, guys.
So yeah, man, this place is beautiful out here. Beautiful. From what I understand, he's gonna do like an overlanding retreat. I know that's not what a lot of people call overlanding and stuff, but some folks just don't have the ability to go out and find trails and this, that, and other. They just want to go out and camp. They want to know the spot. They want to have some amenities and this, that, and another. And I know state parks offer that, but this is kind of like an alternative. So you might not call it overlanding or whatever, but car camping, if that'll make you happy. But I think it's going to be a really cool little place out here. It's got trails. You get a side-by-side and you can run around with. It's pretty neat and beautiful. There's waterfalls everywhere out here, everywhere. So we're going to keep checking stuff out, talking to folks and this kind of thing. So I'll bring you back here in a little bit.
Cold coffee, my old boots are by the door. Nobody's calling, but I don't mind it anymore. 'Cause I've had enough of the rat race, the city life, the social grace. Burnt out on comfort and so tired of keeping score. Gonna find somewhere to slow it down, buy a little place way out of town. Gonna take my time, 'cause it's all mine. Trade my pride for a quiet life. Maybe then my time will come around, way out of town. Down in the hills of old Topanga Road, there's a place I go to ease a weary soul. I could hide away above the sea, smoke my stuff, talk to the trees, get myself a dog and build a heart of gold. Gonna find somewhere to slow it down, buy a little place way out of town. Gonna take my time, 'cause it's all mine. Trade my pride for a quiet life. Maybe then my time will come around, way out of town.
man, so I brought the hammock out. Took me a little nap. I don't know if y'all can hear it on this microphone. It's a bunch of little waterfalls down there, and that's all you can hear sitting up here. And it was quite peaceful. Took me a nice little nap. This place is freaking awesome, man. For just to come, I mean, it's no trails or anything like that for your Jeeps, but just to come, relax, hang out with friends, host a little get together, whatever you want to do like that. It's nice. We're gonna have some more footage coming up here in a little bit of the what they call the hen house. It's got a spot up there. That's where they do all the catering and stuff. It's pretty cool. Really neat place. It's all built rustic and stuff like that. I'll see if I can go through some of the cabins and get some videos. But y'all gotta check this place out, man. It's a lot of fun out here. It's very, like I said, very relaxing. Just the water running, the birds chirping. Oh, this is nice. And it's private, so you don't have to worry about people coming up on you or anything like that.
Hey everybody, it's Brad from the Overland 870 podcast. So this morning we are out with Beth out here at Jasper at the J3 complex. We're out here hanging out. We had the charity event this morning and you just did some yoga for us and got us in a yoga class.
Yeah, we had a great time this morning.
Oh yeah. So you teach yoga full time and you have a wellness You have a wellness company, right?
Yep, we do. So we own Well Street Fitness, which
Uh-huh.
is located in Hollister, Missouri, just south of Branson.
Yeah.
And we're really focused on strength and conditioning. In addition to that, we do some yoga flow, some stretching.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
This morning. We had a good time. We kind of surprised you, though, because you were already in the middle of the class.
Yep.
And we came down and decided we were going to jump into it. And she was gracious enough to do some stretches with us, and we had a couple of us get out here and have some fun with it. It's awesome. So what's some of the benefits of the yoga when you're out here doing all this? What kind of benefits do you get out of it?
Well, really just getting out and moving is super important. We want to stay young, we want to stay youthful. As we age, and really any time in life, we get creaky, and
Yes.
the more we stay active and the more that we stay stretched, the better off we are. That's why we're really focused on building that strength, building that endurance, and ending it with a good stretch.
And that's something that the Overland community needs because a lot of times we're just sitting still at a campsite, eating and driving through the woods, and getting out and stretching is wonderful. That was great this morning. I mean, I'm loose now, I'm relaxed, I'm ready to go. And we're going to offer, if you'd like to come out to our event we're going to have out here at Whiskey and Waypoints in November, so I'd like you to come out and do a class with us.
I would love that. Would love that.
It'll be cool. There'll be a bunch of people hanging out, and you're super energetic, so it'll be awesome, and we'll have a great time. Well, Beth, I appreciate you helping me this morning with my stretching. I really needed it. So
thank you so much.
appreciate
Yeah,
it.
thanks for the invitation.
Hey, thanks. Have a good
Yeah.
day. We'll see you at Whiskey and Waypoint.
Sounds great. Yep, see you then.
Hi guys, so that's J3. There's got quite a few cabins out here you can rent, some small yurts if that's your style, or they're setting everything up for overlanders to come out here and kind of camp and just enjoy nature and see some bears and all that fun stuff in private. So I think it's pretty cool. It's been a fun little experience. I've had a lot of fun. All of us has had a great time out here. Most folks has kind of cleared out this morning. That's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm getting ready to head out of here. So I just wanted to kind of sign off here and let y'all have it. But yeah, I've had a good time. I think it's going to be a good little spot to come and hang out. And so y'all stay tuned. I think we're going to host one of our events out here pretty soon. So y'all keep up and like and subscribe, and y'all be able to see what we're doing. So until next time, guys, simplify and God bless.